Do you, boo?
Encouraging someone to be themselves, pursue their own interests, and not worry about the opinions or judgments of others.
No filter.
Referring to being genuine, authentic, and unapologetically oneself, often used in the context of social media posts.
High key.
Describing something that is done or expressed in a bold, obvious, or emphatic manner.
Goals.
Referring to something or someone that serves as an inspiration or aspiration, often used to express admiration or envy.
Yes, queen.
An exclamation of support, enthusiasm, or approval, often used to empower or uplift someone.